And here we go. We're gonna do the storm slides again, guys. One more time, and Miss Marley wants to go on it with us today. Whew. Go around this way. All right, there's Marley sneaking through. Which one you want to go down?
This one, I like this one. That one's cool.
Which one you want to do? That one? I'll go first and you go behind me, okay, when he says to go. Go. And here we go. Storm slides again, guys. All right. I like these things. Try to get a good footage of all this stuff. And here we come around the corner, almost there. We made it through. We're going to try to get Marley and Morgan as they come out. All right. Hopefully this is clean enough to get Marley coming out. There goes Marley. Look at you. All right. Good job. Holy moly, that was awesome. How'd you like it? Was that silly? You liked it? What'd you say? What do you say, Marley? How'd you like it? All right.
Now Morgan has to come down.
That's Marley's first time down to storm slides.
I've never went on this.
And here comes Morgan. He doesn't like to go underwater, as you can tell. Once again, guys, we'll get them posted up later on tonight for you.